So yesterday I went to make a cup of coffee, went to my Krups Dolce Gusto coffee machine, and the water container was empty and there was a massive pool of water on the worktop. So I thought, time for a new coffee machine, or can I fix it? So today I'm going to show you how to fix it for under £3. This is the coffee machine. There's several different models of this, but they pretty much work all the same. Now the problem I had was that the water container sits here. Now if you fill the water container up and it doesn't leak, then that's good, because there's also a seal in the bottom of the water container on a spring. Now my problem wasn't that. My problem is in here. Don't know if that'll focus on there. So you can just see a rubber washer or rubber seal, and over time this seal becomes worn. Probably worse here because we're in quite a hard water area. So today I'm going to replace this seal. So the original manufacturer's part number is MS0907124. Now I bought this from Amazon yesterday for under £3 and it arrives this afternoon. I'll put a link to where I bought it so you can find it. And here's the part. It's quite flexible, as you can see. There's a groove on the underside, so it fits in like that with a groove on the bottom. Now to undo this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 screws, and these are security screws. What you will need is a Torx T10H. So it's like a regular Torx, but with a hole on the end. You can see that. Fits in like that. So let's take the back off and have a look, see what we got. Simple as that. 5 screws off. And there you can see the state of my seal. It just came straight out. But look at all of that, and it's really, really dirty. Right, I'm just going to give this a bit of a clean before I put the new one back in. So there's the 2 seals. One on the right is the old one. On the left is the new one. Definitely this one is a lot harder to squash than that one. So it's just gone hard and brittle, and you look at all the lime scale on the outside. That would definitely not help with creating a good seal. So I've just checked the pipe here. You can see it's still full of water actually, so I know that's not leaking. Gave this a clean up, and we just pop that back in there. Simple as that. Okay, so I've just placed the seal back in there. See, it's nice and flush. I'll put this back together, and I'm going to get the water container, put it in, and give it a test. Right, so here's the water container. There is the other seal I was talking about. As you can see, there's nothing dripping from this one. So I'm going to put this in here. Fingers crossed it won't leak. put a towel on here, just in case, although I'm pretty confident in my workmanship. So I'll just give it 10 seconds or so. Give it a wiggle around. Lift it up. Bone dry. Give it a tilt. See under there. There you go. It's totally bone dry. So there you have it. A fix. The Dolce Gusto coffee machine for under £3, and it took 5 minutes if that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more handy videos, I guess. Especially if you own a Land Rover Discovery too.